Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and I'm very excited to reveal the teaser of upcoming project by Purvankara Group, which is a resort theme project in the name of Purva Silver Sky, which is located right here in Electronic City Phase 2 South Bangalore. And in this teaser, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. And right now I'm standing in the land parcel itself, on the land parcel. So let me show you that just behind me over here is the current marketing office, the temporary marketing office, and they are building up their main marketing office just behind this marketing office over this side. And now about the main entrance. So the main entrance will be right over here in the front, connected to the main road. Now the land parcel starts from here and goes up to 7 acres. Now let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview, and this project is spread across 7 acres of land parcel consisting of 3 elegant towers in all, where each tower is of basement, ground plus 32 floors, having exclusive 3 and 4 BHK premium residencies and even 5 BHK penthouse premium residencies. But 5 BHK penthouse premium residencies is completely sold out for now. And this project has 88% of open space in all. Now let's discuss about the location part of the project. So let me inform you that the project is located just opposite to Florence Institution on Huskuru Road in Electronic City Phase 2 South Bangalore. So now let me show you the neighborhood of the project, and this is the Florence Institution just opposite to our project on Huskuru Main Road. So this is the Huskuru Main Road, and this road will take you towards Huskuru, and the opposite side road will take you towards Dharmapuri Bangalore Highway. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So next in Doctor Academy is just 230 meters away. Huskuru Metro is 1.2 kilometers away, and M5 Electronic City Mall is 1.6 kilometers away from the location of the project. Now coming to the amenities part, and as mentioned, this project is based on resort theme. So Purva Silver Sky provides you world-class amenities like of swimming pool, pickleball court, volleyball court, grand clubhouse, which includes salon and spa, cafeteria. Additionally, there will be 88% of open space in the land parcel. Now about the super built-up area. So as mentioned, this project offers you exclusive 3 and 4 BHK premium residencies and even 5 BHK penthouse, which is completely sold out for now. So 3 BHK here is starting from 1850 square feet to 2300 square feet. 4 BHK is starting from 2800 square feet to 4200 square feet. 5 BHK penthouse is 4800 square feet to 5400 square feet super built-up area. Now about the booking process, and currently the project is in pre-launch stage and our EOI window is open now. So we are inviting our interested clients to come and visit our site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the model flat as well once it's ready. So everyone, this was the project overview of Purva Silver Sky, just located in Electronic City Phase 2 South Bangalore, a project developed by Purvankara Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.